Hello, this is my tutorial on how to get surround sound on your Apple TV 3rd generation. Mine's a 3rd generation. I thought originally that you have to get surround sound through your HDMI cord, which you are not supposed to. The correct procedure is to get an optical audio cord and to connect that optical audio cord to your TV and then have it play through your home entertainment system, connect it to speakers. I have a Panasonic one that is Dolby 7.1, which I use for my surround sound. You have one end and you put it to the back of the Apple TV and you get the other end and hook that up to your television. The optical audio is usually located at the back of your television. You get the other end of your optical audio and you just insert it to the back of your television. It's one end in television and the other end on the Apple TV 3rd generation. I am not sure if this works on any other generations for the Apple TV because I've never owned a 1st or 2nd gen Apple TV. The 3rd generation is my first one, so I am unsure of the 1st or 2nd. So this tutorial is only for the 1st and only for the 3rd, pardon me, 3rd generation Apple TV running the highest software. Yeah. This was my quick tutorial on how to get surround sound on your Apple TV. I am Technical Eye Helper. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you in the next video.